Welcome back, YouTube. We're ready to try out the tape measure fishing reel. Let's try and catch a fish. We got it all baited up with some bread. And so when you're doing this and you're pulling it out, it's gonna wanna come right back to you. So just wrap the line around your finger and that will help keep that from happening. All right, so we got it. Let's give it a cast out there. Got one. There you go, YouTube. It's that easy. So, anybody could do it. DIY, baby. Catching you fish. And so, this has been fishing downtown Denver at Jim Baker Reservoir. So if you like my videos and you want to see more, hit that like button and please subscribe. This is pretty badass. I love inventing my stuff. So let's get this guy back in the water. He's going wild. There he goes. He took off. So catch you next time. And I think my next video, I'm gonna do something with the lizard. So floating the lizard is way better than trying to Texas rig the lizard. And I'm gonna show you that on my next video. See you next time.